Yeah, then you must sit in front. Go sit in front. Right. Now this is my trick with the 4 rings. Are you ready? Now that's ring number 1. That's the 234 rings. Okay. Take the 2, put it around your neck in the meantime. Here's another one for you. Take it. No, over here. There. Now just do it. And a cold tap. Leave it. And it's link. You see the trick work like this. This over here is important. Okay. If I take my hand like this, put it through here, grab the ring, and I pull it out like that. I know it looks like magic. I tell you what, you stretch your arm out like this. This is your 2 rings here, eh? Take it. Keep your hand like this. Now, what do you follow me? On the count of 3, you drop only 1 ring like that. 1, 2, 3, drop 1. Wow, you're good. Where did you look? Wow. Okay, next thing, so make sure there's no hole, slits in it, nothing, right? Keep your rings up like this. Take your hand like this. Put your hand through the hole. Grab your ring, pull your ring out so everybody your ring is out. You tap your ring back, you spin your ring and pull your ring like that. Wow, you're really good. Keep your rings up like this, and now you rub your rings together. You're too slow, you must stir fast, and then you blow, okay. Comes right out like that. Are you finished? And blow and 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Nothing. Thank you.